Taekook moments
호명,
from their
호명.
lives today. So hello everyone, welcome back to Taiban Shots, your home for everything Taekook. Today's live was filled with the kind of chaotic, adorable energy only Jungkook and Taeyong can bring. If you miss the magic, don't worry, we've got the full rundown of today's sweetest Taekook moments. Let's dive in.
이놈의 집구석은 어떻게 제목은 집구석인가?
You know how it is. When these two are on the same screen, it's chaos, laughter, and all comfort at once.
진짜 개웃긴 게 심지어 저방 김태형 방이에요.
Starting with how Jungkook deleted his IG account in 2023 after he came live with Taeyong, and he revealed his new IG account in 2025 because Taeyong wanted to do an Instagram live with him. I'm just so happy Jungkook did his last live on IG with Tae before he deleted his account, and now Jungkook came back on IG and it's the first live again with Tae. Taeyong said, turn it off. Hold on, okay, it's working. We used to do it here, the live. But Jungkook said, no, it's only this part is fine, not there. I was literally on that. Taeyong was about to show us of his LA house. Jungkook came in to the rescue. The rooms they use as their lives are very limited for their safety. Taekook is always around, so JK quickly realized that Tae was on live. I forgot that from his sunglasses we could see the appearance of the room. You can see Jungkook's reflection in Tae's sunglasses too. Look at how happy they are looking. Taeyong said, by the way, my battery is at 17%, and then Jungkook said, charge it, you gotta plug in the charger. It's not gonna shut off, right? When Tae came live again and Jungkook and Namjoon joined his Insta live, but Namjoon was having issues again.
안 나오지?
정국이
And
안
this
나와요,
was
형?
their whole conversation
근데
throughout the
참
live.
너도 또 안 나와.
아, 이렇게 하면 되네.
내가 안 나온다고?
뭐 이게 세 명? 이거
아니요, 지금 형 다 나와요.
나와?
네.
형 보이는데, 나는?
나 왜 네가 안 보이노? 아니 잠깐만요.
아, 근데
잠시만요.
이거 아무도 댓글을 못 다.
Jungkook came live on his new Instagram account and revealed it because Tae's account wasn't showing any comments. And then he said, this is JK's new Instagram, and Taeyong was laughing in the background.
안녕하세요. 뉴 인스타입니다.
And Taeyong said, live Instagram.
This is JK's new Instagram. 라이브용.
라이브용 인스타그램.
멀티 라이브를 위해서 만든.
Taekook were laughing because Namjoon was having issues joining the live again. Just look at Jungkook's eyes, they got big in excitement. That glow in JK's eyes says it all. No force, just love for his Taeyongi.
뭐야? 형, 두 명밖에 안 되네.
됐다.
됐지?
Namjoon said we are the workout team, right? We mostly do body weights workouts, but Taeyong went to the special forces and does training with heavy weights. We can't even get through all the sets he does. Tae keep working out together.
지금은.
충격 받긴 했어.
지금.
저희는 맨몸 운동 위주로 하고 태양이는 특임대 가서 얘가 중량을 근데 지금 빵이 저희보다 크고 무게가 지금 저희가 제 세트를 다 소화를 못해요 지금.
아, 근데
I talking
나
about
왜냐면은 나 이게
JK's
할 수 있는 게
weightlifting.
정국이가 웨이트를 시작한 지 얼마 안 됐어. 너가 한 그래도 2개월 됐냐?
몰라. 제대로 한
2개월 정도 됐을 거야. 2개월 반?
자,
Then Jimin joined in the live and Tae left the room to go to Jungkook and Namjoon's room.
이놈의 집구석은 어떻게 제목은 집구석인가? 지금 이 표정 봐봐. 아 진짜 진짜
With
정국아, 이거
Taekook
봐.
sharing the same brain
이거.
cells. I swear to God, why are they like this?
그 뭔데?
Like, don't even try
네?
to talk to me right now. Taekook's chaos has taken over my entire soul. Do you see how easily and comfortably Taekook slip into each other's arms?
취해 있는 거 아니야? 왜 이렇게 웃기냐?
Jungkook leaning in Taeyong's arms smoothly. That's its comfort place.
취해 있는 거 아니야? 왜 이렇게 웃기냐?
I slowly slipped his
movie.
arms around JK's waist. Taeyong teasing
movie.
Jungkook in with both his arms. I am literally so obsessed. They are the happiest when they are together. Look at Jungkookie. Everything feels so effortless. The way they smile and the way they move around each other.
그렇습니다.
너무 재밌었던 것 같고요.
It's also genuine. You can see how easy and respectful they are with one another. My clingy duo is back and closer than ever. No space couple and full effect.
언제 알았어?
No space, just comfort. Their smiles, their pure vibe and effortless connection.
지훈아 옆에 지훈아 잠깐만. 지훈아 잠깐만 나가 있어.
진짜 다시 할게.
잠깐만.
와 내보내기가 있네. 막 대단하다.
지훈아 잠깐만 나가 있어.
내보내기 잘한 거 아니야?
지훈아 잠깐만.
Just look at their giggles when Jimin joined the live.
지훈아. 지민아 왜? 지민아 왜?
Here is Taeyong introducing his baby to everyone. JK being the considerate and caring boyfriend to ever exist. He said, Taeyong Hyun, you might be uncomfortable sitting there. Wait a minute, I'll be back from the restroom. JK said that Tae is stronger than him. Kim Taeyong is stronger than me, said Namjoon. And Jungkook says he's stronger than
김태형이 저보다
me.
힘셉니다 이제.
저보다 힘씁니다.
Their conversation is so mindful. I just love how they talk to each other without anything.
지금.
와.
They are testing the lag. Rock, paper, scissor, and then 2 seconds later, Taeyong goes with paper.
근데 이거
Taeyong said a
아까
Weverse
관계자
staff
여러분이
member said they'll
말씀해
fix it in 3
3일
days.
이내로
And Jungkook
고쳐드리겠습니다.
said that's a
진짜
lie, right?
업데이트를 해드리고.
And then
언제
Taeyong
알지?
said I trust Weverse.
난
And
믿을 수
Jungkook
있고
goes,
있어.
I bet it won't happen in 3 days. RM said that why don't we just invite people from all the companies too? Where are you from? You're from SM, from IG. And they both laughed. Nice to meet you. Where are you? We are in LA. Oh, you're in Tokyo. Oh, you're in Gwangju.
저 LA 있는데 도쿄시구나. 광주세요. 예. 한잔 해요. 예. Cheers, mate.
Cheers, man.
What's up, dude?
Taeyong
뭐
said
정국이는
maybe
좀
it's
다를 수
different for
있는데
Jungkookie, but
나
I start
진짜
getting sleepy around
12시 전에
12.
계속
And
졸려.
Jungkook said, I also do. And Taeyong goes, but you have the habit of holding it back, right?
근데 넌 약간
They
잠을
told
참는
Jimin to wait a minute,
지민아,
and
잠시만.
then Jimin asked why.
네.
And then
이거-
for this one, he kicks Jimin out of the live, and they start laughing out
감사합니다.
loud. I
네,
can't
인사하세요.
with them, they are so
네.
unserious. They
야,
kicked
지민아,
Jimin
잠시만.
out of the live twice.
이거 네.
다섯.
Here is Namjoon's reaction. Namjoon really went like, what am I doing here? This is a couple's thing. Not Jungkook asking to kick Jimin out again. I just cannot stop laughing.
이제 또 내보내.
다 들려요.
너무 웃기네.
Today's Taekook Live had my whole heart. So I hope you like it too. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you like the video. Please do like, share and subscribe. And let's pray that these cuties come live together even more.